What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B coming at you with another video. Hey, I've been getting a question asked, what have I done to Cone, from a lot of the new subscribers. So we're going to get into it. I'm going to tell you what I have done to my 2018 Road Glide called Cone. So man, let's get into it right after this. All right, man, we back. Hey, I'm gonna tell you, the new subscribers, what we got on Cone here. Like I say, it's a 2018 Road Glide. I have done plenty of modifications to this bike. So starting with the front wheel, from Eastern Performance, y'all. That's where that wheel come from, and it's got a gloss coating on it. It's a 21-inch wheel from Eastern Performance Cycles. You can check their website out, and you can see. They got plenty of other stuff on their website too, man. They carry everything. You can see I got the figure rider designs, lug nut cover. I got the Galfer Rotors on here. I got the 21-inch wraparound fender. You see I got the custom dynamics on the forks, custom dynamics here. I got custom dynamics all over this bike. But you can see the whole black fork, it's all blacked out. You know, when you get a stock 107, it's not blacked out. It's, you know, the old aluminum, silver kind of like stuff. But yeah, and in that right there, we have the progressive lowering kit. I lowered my bike 1 inch in the front. One reason, so I can still lean the bike real good in the curves. So yeah, it's a great ride, y'all. No lie at all. When I say it's a great ride, it's a great ride. Coming to the front of the bike, we got the Advan Black light right here with the custom dynamic vent lights. And yes, this fender is Advan Black as well. And I got the custom dynamic trim lights. But I got my good people, Memphis shades, windshield guard right here. A windshield. And I got the Memphis Shades hand guards. Hey y'all, you need these hand guards. Sometimes I know people say they don't like them, they don't like the way they look, but they serve its purpose. You can't go wrong with it at all. And right here, I got the mirrors here, the Resuma mirrors from Harley Davidson. Check out how they're made. They got like a blue tint on it, kind of keep you from getting blind if a car come up behind you and the lights are really bright. So yeah, we got the 1-finger levers here. You can see that. Look at that. You can pull that with 1 finger all day long. You can actually pull it with your pinky too, but I'm having issues at my wrist right now. I got the Harley Davidson heated grips on here. I'm gonna change these all probably sooner or later. I don't like the way they don't start to look without, I know I got all rubber on it as well. We got the Soundstream radio on here. Great sounding radio with a 13-band EQ, car Apple Play, Android Apple Play, all that on here. And you can see right here, we got the CVO gauges on here. I love that look, y'all. And I can see it real good at night. That's one reason I wanted to change it. So these little covers here come right off of, you can get them off of Amazon. Now you can only get them off of eBay. Great speaker covers. I have a Rockford's Fosgate DSP up under there with a 1200 watt amp on these 2 speakers here, and these are DB Drive speakers that's up under there. I got these little vent trims here, the wind deflectors here. This is a gloss black right here. I got those right there, you can see. And I changed the tank cover here, and we got the RickRak Gas Cap magnet on here. Yeah, I'm just showing you all the little stuff that I got. You can see that. It just hook it to your bike, and hopefully you don't lose your gas cap. So let me see what else we got on here. We got the lowers here from HR3. They sent me those lowers over. I really appreciate them for doing that. It's got the speakers. Haven't had any issue. I done had it over a year on the bike. So yeah, probably almost 2 years on the bike, to be honest. So, and the next thing we have, the Harley Davidson Empire Collection. All the floorboards, the rear passenger pegs. I love it, y'all. I just love the look. I get a lot of compliments off of that. So that's the Empire Collection from Harley Davidson. And we got the all in this big sucker in here. So it's not the stock. I know it looks stock, but it's not stock. So that's the all in this big sucker. You can tell the way the filter is. Look at that filter. And I just put that in there not too long ago, and that baby looked good. And it's a metal too, so it's the kind that you can clean out and everything. So what else we got on here? We got the Legend Revo Arcs on the rear. I'm running a 13-inch on the rear. Great suspension, y'all. I mean, great suspension, man. You can't go wrong with them at all. I mean, at all. The ride on cone is excellent. I got the Robert Becker seat lock. You can see it's got the little key that goes here that I keep on my key ring. So yeah, we got the figure-rated designs covers here. It's got the cross on it as well. I'm gonna show you something else that I got from figure-rated design as well. My boy Kerry, I will see him in Daytona. I got the timing cover here. Check that out. Man, he got so many different designs over there. I need to go check that out for real. And I got the swing on cover, so that'll help you keep from getting water in there. That will rust up in there. You might can check your bike. You got the plastic one now. That pops in, that would not come out. It got grommets on it, so it just, and the rubber around it, so it seals it off real good. And right here, I got the Bad Boy Cycles saddlebag guard. These are 1.25 inches, the same size as my engine guard. So you can look at that and see. I want to kind of match it up to my handlebars. Oh yeah, and I forgot about my handlebars. These are the LA Chopper hammerhead bars, y'all. 12-inch hammerhead bars. I love those bars. If you don't have the money to get you a T-bar set up, this is the route to go. I might be switching that out later on. I'm not sure. I might be going with the All in this setup, T-bar setup, but I'm not sure. And the bags on here are from Haulworks. One of my bags cracked, and Haulworks has been in my corner. I really appreciate them. Custom Dynamics has been in my corner, and Memphis Shades definitely been in my corner as well. And you see, I got the Haulworks saddlebag liners in here as well, with the RickRak mounts on here, so you can tighten this down. You probably got the stock in here that sticks out about like that, but these are the RickRak mounts right here. On the back of the bike, all custom dynamic lights. All custom dynamics. All this is custom dynamic. You can't go wrong with it at all. The tri-bar light, the signal light here on the license plate, the plug lights, the 8-in plasma rods, all that right there is custom dynamics. You come around here, we got the heel toe shifter from Harley Davidson. I love the heel toe shifter. I didn't think I was gonna like it at first, but I really love it now. I can wear my Jordans and not beat them up or nothing. And we got the karaoke shift linkage here. I really like that, man. It looks good. It just goes with the bike, the contrast. And got the thrashing easy shifter. Hey man, you find neutral every time with this baby here. You can get it in black, or you can get it in chrome. And right here, while we down here, we got the ultra cool, y'all. Finally got that baby put on, and I'm loving it. So it's finna get hot. You might want to check out Ultra Cool website and invest in your bike, especially if you got a big boy kit on your bike. You definitely want to invest in your bike, cause it get hot here in Texas. It's get really hot. I got the Saddleman seat on here, y'all. I got two. I got one on the wall, the SDC seat, and I got the tuck and roll seat here. So I like this one a little bit better. It's a little bit more comfortable. I mean, real comfortable. So yeah, that's some of the things that I got on bike. But let's get to the big elephant in the room that the people really been asking me about, is what size motor, what cam I got on this bike. I got a 128 stage 4 Screaming Eagle kit on this bike. I appreciate Harley Davidson for sponsoring this build on this bike. This bike has been awesome, awesome. No issues, no hiccups or nothing. And I'm running a 3030 Star Racing cam on this baby as well. It's a torque cam. It's not a horsepower cam, but I'm still making 140 horse, 150 torque on the bike. The bike will get down the road. And I'm running it into the 2-in-1, my good people from Chrome Works, with the 2-in-1 Outlaw system with the turbine tip, and I have the reducer in there as well. So yeah, it's running real good. I have I mean, this bike run good, y'all. I can't even lie. No issues since I had the bike. I bought the bike with 2,300 miles on it. Now I got like 30, I'm just a little bit over 30,000 now within 2 years. I got the trash transmission cover in there with the filter coming here. If you know about trash transmission cover back there, you can get that in gloss or you can get it in chrome as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it on the bike, y'all. I'm running an 18 on the rear. I had a 16 on the rear, but I'm running an 18 on the rear right now, and I'm happy with that. The setup, the bike sits level. The bike is ready for Daytona. It done been to Daytona once before. Now with the 128 on it, had the stage 2 when I went to Daytona last year, and Milwaukee. Oh man, I've been a lot of places on this bike. Knoxville, long rides. So and I got more long rides this year. But yeah, that's gonna be it, y'all. I really appreciate y'all tuning in to the channel. Man, we got more big things coming up. So stay tuned, stick with your boy, and we gonna make it happen this year. Hopefully I get to ride with some of you all this year. If you don't see me in Daytona, catch me in Knoxville. I know those 2 trips that I'm probably gonna make this year. I don't know what else I got planned, cause you know I only got so many vacation days that I can use. I got like 2 weeks, and I'll be stretching them boys out. So, but that's it, baby. But man, I appreciate my son come out here helping his dad out once again. But man, till next time, the next grind. Hope to see you in Daytona. We rolling, man. We out. Peace.